So how can you set your iPhone screen to never sleep? Let's get started with this. And if you are first time on Foxtecc, consider subscribing because I have so many tutorials which are going to help you out. So in order to do that, you just open up the settings app and locate the section or menu for display and brightness. Once you get inside, upon scrolling down just a little bit more, you should be able to see the auto lock menu. And this is a place where you get to select the time interval or the time period of inactivity after which your phone will go to sleep, right? And this is where it gets interesting because we have like 6 options, 30 seconds up to 5 minutes, but also there is the never option. So if you want your phone to stay on indefinitely until the battery runs out, right, you can click on the never. It actually shows you a little like a warning or a little description there saying that your iPhone may use more energy with this setting, and it's pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, it's just a little warning there, but that's how it works. One last thing you should know is that if you by any chance have the low power mode enabled on your phone, which is like a setting to preserve your battery, of course, in that case, you will not have the ability to change the auto lock as it, only sets it to like 30 seconds, I believe. And you need to disable the low power mode in order to change the screen timer settings. So that's how it works. Let me know what you think below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for the tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.